Yo guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we're gonna draw snowman. So stay with me. I will show you how you can draw it step by step. Easy snowman. There is no need to pencil or anything. You can use only your finger. So choose layer and add background, blue background. After that, add some circles. White circles. You can choose it like a tool in IbisPaint X. So two circles like you see, and after that I will change the color. I will choose red, and you can draw small something look like a cup like you see. Take your time when you are drawing, and after that I will add something look dark and black there. It looks something small there, it look good, and you can add some eyes and it will be look good. So guys, if you love my videos and you are interested to art, just follow me. I'm sharing here some tips, some artwork. You can watch all my videos. I hope you enjoy. Now I'm drawing orange, so it's looking like a carrot, so it will look good. So by the way, tips, always choose different layer for your art, to just if you make some fault to remove it, okay? Because if you have only one layer, it will be hard to remove your fault. Okay, now I'm drawing some place like he's standing on something. You can choose silver, and after that add white. It will look good. So like you see. By the way, there is no need to iPad. You can use only your tablet if you use another app. But in for Procreate you need iPad. Okay, so like you see, I'm adding now white. So just take your time drawing. You can add anything you want. You can make it look in any way you want. After that, I'm gonna add some small circles like it's snow. You know, it will make some. It will add some effective there. Okay. Now I'm gonna choose other pencil to add some shadows. You can add also other layer to add your shadows, because if you make some fault, you can change it there. Okay, I didn't do that because I just want to add some small shadows here, some details like dark, and like you see this the final touch. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you like it, just hit that like, subscribe, and see you in another video. I hope you enjoy.